this is Nirmita. We are here at Bangalore Tech Summit. We have with us Shweka, who is the founder of Presentia. Hi ma'am, how are you?
Fine, thank you so much.
Ma'am, can you tell us more about Presentia?
Yeah, Crescentia Wellness was born out of the desire to create an impact in the society, not only in India but across the world. And the field we've chosen is menstrual health and hygiene, which is a very important field. Much ignored but very important. It's a very hush hush topic. When you talk about periods, nobody talks about them freely. When I first used this cup, I felt so comfortable. And then these cups were imported. We wanted to do it in India. So we're happy to say that we're the first manufacturer license holders in India to manufacture menstrual cup. This is called a menstrual cup.
Shweka, how do you create awareness about menstrual cups?
That's why I'm here with you. So creating awareness is one of the challenges I have. So menstrual cup is made of silicone and actually medical grade silicone, which are used in the implants also. Now medical grade silicone is super safe. It's an inert material and it does not interact with the vagina. And people are very afraid to put it inside. I was the same. I was very afraid to put it inside. This cup lay in my house for 6 months probably. And then I started using it and it was super comfortable, super economical, and so much waste is avoided.
People still use pads. Even I myself use pads. How do you break this notion?
Yeah, it's very difficult to break this notion, but once you start using the cup, you are super comfortable, super free. I remember a time when I wore the cup and went into the puja room, and it's not allowed at all.
I know.
So I felt so free that I could use this cup. My daughter uses it, all my friends use it, and once you turn to a cup, the first inhibition is gone. It becomes very easy. You ask any cup user, they'll say they never turn back to pads at all.
Shweka, still men feel very uncomfortable, talking. I mean, not talking, even touching women who's in periods. How do you break this thing?
I think it's difficult to break this thing also, but now India is changing.
Yeah.
Now when I speak to girls, young girls, they have an inhibition of using the cup, but touching and all is not an inhibition at all.
It is actually. We see still few guys they stay away. I personally see in many colleges, in schools. So what's your take on
So
it?
I'll tell you the take on this.
Yeah.
If to tell you the take, I'll give you an example. I have two very traditional people with me. One is my husband and one is my husband's friend, who are both very traditional. And I never used to cook during periods. But I have two very traditional men who started this company with me. So that is how you break the taboo.
Yes, Shweka. How this thought came in? You want to start a startup out of menstrual cups.
So like I said, I wanted to create an impact. So impact can be created either from a product or from a service. So product line is what we've chose. And we explored many products. And that time menstrual cups were not very famous in India. So that was what we wanted to take the first mover advantage and spread awareness also. That's why we started this.
What takes in for a entrepreneur to build a startup out of a sensitive issue?
Lot of courage, lot of passion, which we all three of us share, and lot of willpower to do very good to the society. Not only make money, my intention is not to make money. My intention is to reach out to millions of girls who are like my mothers, sisters, or daughters, so that they have this convenience during periods.
Shweka, can you tell us how to use these cups?
Yeah, sure, why not? So this is a menstrual cup. They come in 3 sizes. Any company which markets a menstrual cup, they'll tell you which size to use. Usually, an unmarried woman below the age of 20 will use a smaller one. 20 to 30, you can use a medium one. And above 30, if you have given birth to a child, normal delivery, you use a large one. Now let me take any one of these cups. This is just this small and it's very soft. Made of silicone, soft, so you can fold it. So I first fold it like this, and there are many kinds of fold that are available on the internet. I usually prefer this fold. This is called a C fold. There is a 7 fold, there's a pinch down fold. Fold it, and that's it. It becomes small. Now let's say this is your opening. You insert it, and then it opens like this. Once it is open, a seal is created, and blood will be collected. Your pads will absorb blood. This collects blood. You take this blood, throw it away, just wash it in plain water, then reuse it. The only thing you need to remember is always keep your cup clean And once your periods are done, sterilize it or wash it in super hot water. And we also have a sterilizer for it like this, in which you can put hot water, keep it in the oven and sterilize it. And if you keep it super clean, nothing will happen. It's the most comfortable for you.
That's very informative, Shweka. Thank you so
One
much.
more thing can I add?
Yeah, sure.
You can swim, you can jump, you can run, you can do yoga, you can do anything. You don't have to change this for 8 to 12 hours. You can use it, not like pads. Yeah?
Very, very. Thank you so much for throwing us light on such a sensitive issue. Thank you so much, Shweka. Welcome.
To stay informed about the startup ecosystem, subscribe to My Startup TV.